Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will see how to use the formula for average. I have a sample data here, student 1 to 10, who has obtained these marks. I will color code. The student 1 to 10, they have got these marks. This is the total marks for each subject, out of which these students have got these marks. We will understand and see how we can find out average for each student. Let us understand and find out how to find average for each student. Average is the total sum of the marks obtained by each student divided by number of the subjects. To find out average, there is a simple way to find out average. If I wanted to find out average for student number 1, I will select the marks which the student has obtained. If you see in the bottom, there is a average which clearly shows, and it also shows the average for the student 1. The student 1 has achieved these marks for each subject, and the average of the marks what student 1 has obtained is 86.125. Number of subjects is 8. Total marks what the student number 1 has obtained is 689. So this is one simplest way to find out the average. We will use the function average to find out the average for each students. I will enter average. Now I will use the function equals average. Press the tab key to autocomplete the function, and it will also open the bracket, and select the range of cells which is D2 to D9. This is the marks scored for each subject. This is the formula to find out average. So whatever we found, it is same as we highlighted and found in the status bar, 86.125. Similarly, I have to find out the average for all the students. I can simply drag the cursor and copy the function across all the cells so that the average will be auto-populated. Now we have the function which has taken the values from its respective cells. If I wanted to copy the total also, I can do the same thing. Let me highlight with yellow. The formula for student 1 for total I have already applied. I will simply drag the cursor and copy the formula for each of the student to get the total. Total for student number 2 is 514 and average is 64.25. Student 3 seems to be very good and he has got 800 and average is 100. Student 4 has got 549 and the average is 68.625. So we have found out the average for all the students. Student number 3 has scored 100% average.